In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your menu view in QuickBooks Online. Customizing your menu is a simple way to make QuickBooks feel more tailored to the way you work every day. Instead of hunting around for the tools you use most often, you can keep them right at your fingertips in the navigation bar. Let's walk through how to do that step by step. First, look over to the left side of your QuickBooks Online screen, where your main navigation bar is located. This is the vertical menu that includes things like dashboard, banking, sales, expenses, and so on. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of that navigation bar. There, you'll see a button labeled Customize. This is the control that lets you adjust which apps appear in your pinned area and in what order they show up. Go ahead and click that Customize button. When you do, a window or panel will open, called Customize Your App Menu. This panel is where all the magic happens. It shows you a list of apps and features, with the ones currently pinned to your menu usually appearing at the top. Inside this window, you can reorder your pinned apps to match your workflow. Each pinned app has a small 6-dot handle beside it. Move your cursor over those 6 dots, click, and then drag the app up or down to the position you prefer. For example, if you use banking all the time, you might drag it to the very top so it's always the first thing you see. Take a moment to arrange everything in a way that feels natural to you. You can also decide which apps are pinned or unpinned. To the left of each app name, you'll see a small pin icon. If the pin is highlighted, that app is currently pinned to your navigation bar. Clicking the pin will toggle it on or off. Keep in mind, QuickBooks only allows you to pin up to 3 apps at a time. If you already have 3 pinned and try to add another, you'll need to unpin one first. Think about which tools you truly use every day and reserve those 3 spots for your highest priority apps. Once you've finished rearranging and pinning your apps, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button in the Customize Your App menu window and click it. After you save, your navigation bar will update to reflect your new layout. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've created a cleaner, more efficient QuickBooks Online menu that's tailored to the way you work.